In the prologue, the audience is informed of the ancient grudge, Romeo and Juliet's tragic fate, and the fact that their deaths end their families' feuds. Two households, both alike in dignity, in fair Verona where we lay our scene, from ancient grudge break to new mutiny, where civil blood makes civil hands unclean. From forth the fatal loins of these two foes, a pair of star-crossed lovers take their life, whose misadventures piteous overthrows do with their death bury their parents' strife. The fearful passage of their death-marked love, and the continuance of their parents' rage, which but their children's end naught could remove, is now the 2 hours traffic of our stage, the which if you with patient ears attend, what here shall miss, our toil shall strive to mend. In the final moments of the play, the Montagues and Capulets reach out to each other, realizing they have lost their children as a result of their feud. O brother Montague, give me thy hand, this is my daughter's jointure, for no more can I demand. But I can give thee more, for I will raise her statue in pure gold, that while Verona by that name is known, there shall no figure at such rate be set as that of true and faithful Juliet. As rich shall Romeo's by his ladies lie, poor sacrifices of our enmity. A glooming peace this morning with it brings, the sun for sorrow will not show his head. Go hence to have more talk of these sad things, some shall be pardoned and some punished, for never was a story more woe than this of Juliet and her Romeo. Why do people argue? How can we avoid disagreements? What can we do to end disagreements quickly and amicably? Should our parents' views on people affect our own? Do good things come out of bad situations?